Hi, hello to my future employer. I'm Joy Ann Aguilar, 37 years old, single, all the way from Philippines. I'm high school graduate. I consider myself that I am flexible, trustworthy, hardworking, and independent woman. I can adapt a new work, things, and environment. I have work experience as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia last July 2021 until October 2024. My duties is cleaning, ironing, and washing clothes. But my main duty is to take care of 8-month-old baby boy. I am prepared his food, changing his diaper, changing his clothes, take a bath, and I will enjoy playing inside or outside at home. Sometimes when my employer goes to vacation, they takes me with them. And to be honest, I have experienced vacationing in Turkey twice. If ever you give me a chance to be a selected as your nanny, I will really assure that I will do my responsibility to serve and love your children. I will give you a 100% to take care your children, and I will treat him like my own siblings. I am hoping and praying that one as you're selected as your nanny. Thank you and God bless you, ma'am and sir.